Today I am going to share the idea of preparation of delicious and tasty chicken. I am Pavan Kumar and they are my team members who also help me in the preparation of delicious chicken. I Now I am going to prepare the chicken. I need some ingredients like 1.5 kg of chicken, half kg onion, and this is ginger garlic paste, and 1 cup of dahi, cooking oil, and cumin seeds, garlic, bay leaves. This is whole garam masala, desi ghee, and this is coriander powder, meat masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, and this is the fresh coriander leaf. Let's start the preparation of delicious chicken with my team members. She is my team member and she is now cutting the onion. Delicious chicken. Now I turn on the gas and lights the gas and put the vessel on it and wait for heat. Now the vessel gets heated and I add cooking oil for 100 grams and wait for 1 or 2 minutes for oil heating. Now I add a whole garlic and mix well. Now I am going to close it for a few minutes. Now I am adding 3 spoons of salt. I am adding the ghee and it makes the chicken delicious and tasty. And I mix it properly. Now I am going to add the chicken in the onion. The onion gets golden brown and I add the chicken. Now I am going to check the chicken. Wow, it is so delicious. And the chicken now release the water. The chicken is getting soft and how it is looking. You can see it looking so delicious, and it seems like it is make so tasty. Now my chicken is fried, and it's time to add spices. I am adding turmeric powder. Now my chicken is getting ready, and I am adding garam masala. Sprinkle the garam masala on it. And mix it and wait for 2 minutes, and sprinkle the then I sprinkle the green leaves of coriander. Now it is time to garnish the coriander leaf on the chicken, and I garnish the coriander leaf on the chicken, and I cover it for 1 minute. I cover it for 1 minute and wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and then turn off the gas. Now my chicken got ready, and I am going to turn off the gas, and you can see it how it is looking and so delicious and so tasty, and wait for 5 minutes, then I serve it. I serve it and take it.
Sir, I'm prepared to jeera rice. This is a very delicious food or items. This is my team. This is a Pawan and Arshita. So let's have a start. So what it's a start. So how to prepare a jeera rice? Others go? You can try also.
Preparing jeera rice. For ingredients, cumin seeds, whole spicy, ghee, and bay leaf, and rice. Going to wash rice 1 to 3 times and soak them 30 minutes. Drain excess water and rice. Now I am going to adding ghee in cooker for preparing jeera rice.
And add the
And,
oils. First, mustard oil.
and adding bay leaf for wait a few
Wait
times.
for a few minutes.
Heat the oil. I am adding to jeera. I am waiting for heat
I'm
few
waiting for
times.
few minutes. I'm waiting for few minutes. Uh, yeah, put on the.
I am adding to whole garam masala. I am waiting few minutes.
Now I am adding lemon juices for it gets the turn rice into white. I'm going to cover it and wait for making it. we 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 have prepared the jeera rice and chicken and salads, and now I am going to serve to our honorable sir and ma'am.